Welcome to Growing Old. Photos.
We're growing old, a name you'll hear around. 'Cause we're planting seeds in sacred ground. We cultivate with purpose, heart and soul. Cannabis as medicine, that's our goal.
Okay, so let's start out here with our two CBDs, and I'm really happy with this first one because we all remember how she started out. She was going tough. You know, the soil wasn't all that good, but yeah, she's really getting good, and you know, she's starting to get a little thicker, but yeah, she's looking really good. And then her sister over here, this one here, holy cow. I just defoliated that, and she's already in need of another haircut. So I might give her one more and then just let her go. But I mean, she's looking real healthy. She's getting some thickness on her. And then we go down to my favorites, the peyotes. This one being the Peyote Forum. And I mean, just look at all that. I mean, I got to come out and do a little more training and get them bent down. But yeah, she's looking really nice. She's starting to thicken up down at the bottom. But she's going to be nice. Now here's one of my pride and joys here. This is another Peyote Forum, and yeah, she's getting tall. And if you remember last time, I bent this over, and they're going to climb up. And I'll probably eventually weave them through here some. But she's getting tall. I mean, she's about neck tall to me. Granted, she's in a pot and everything, but doing a little training there. And then down here is our first Peyote Kush. And, well, I'm going to step in front of the camera. And here, you can see, I mean, I come out, I trim some leaves, and I mean, they just come back. I mean, she's growing good, real good. Loving it. I do want to mention my tank real quick before we move on. If you remember in the beginning, I talked about the tank I had first with the Autopot system, and it was a 60 gallons. It was blue. I mean, it was great, but I decided to go with this. This one's 104 gallons. Was that like 400 liters, and it's built to be outside. So the thing I talked about was I thought some of my water was evaporating, and it was because it was getting kind of hot. This thing has worked very well, and it keeps the water fairly cool, and I don't see a real evaporation problem. So, you know, this is great, and you can find those over there at Autopot. Okay, let's look at our last Peyote Forum. And she's really coming into her own. Lots of bud spots and everything. She's looking really good. Can't wait. And then our final photo, and this is a Peyote Kush. And we all remember she didn't know what she was going to do, but I'm just going to let her be because you can see she's already started her re-veg, and these are going to turn into some really nice buds, I think. She's real sticky and everything. So, but I want to really thank all of our subscribers and our viewers. And I want to also thank all of our new subscribers and welcome them to our family. We have a blast, and thank you.
With purpose, heart and soul. Cannabis as medicine, that's our goal. In our greenhouse, sunshine streams